Step one, pick it up, get it out of the way for the truck back up. Not a whole lot of room for error here. Now we'll get the trailer out of the way and get it scoped together and get it down the road. Definitely a tight squeeze getting the truck out too, as you can see. All right, truck's out of the way, we're going vertical. Hard part's done. All we gotta do is unhook the tail crane and set her over where she goes. Alright, now we're gonna swing her over and plop her on the pad. Of course the wind's kicked up. Got about 15-20 blowing here. The first tank's already been set. We got the crosswalk up, handrails, bin vent filter. This is tank number 2. Spinning it around, getting the right orientation, and just about on the ground. That's all there is to it. 2 down, 2 to go.